Hello, in front of me I've got PEBBLEBee Clip Universal. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your device. To factory reset PEBBLEBee Clip Universal, press PEBBLEBee button 3 times and 4th time press and hold 10 seconds. Release the button at the end of the 3rd beep and Audible confirmation will sound. Now double press device button to pair it again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.